Okay, tell me about the things you do when you arrive at a hotel.
The first thing I do when I get to a hotel is check-in process.
Check-in process, right?
I go to the counter, give my reservation name,
Mhm.
and get the room key.
Okay.
I find out where my room is located.
Uh-huh.
Once I get to the room,
Yeah.
the very first thing I do is inspect it. Is to inspect it.
Inspect. Okay.
Mm,
What do you check?
I check the room's condition
Uh-huh.
and where the outlets are.
What do you figure out?
I figure out where the outlets are.
Uh-huh.
I check that all the facilities are working properly.
Uh-huh.
I also check
Uh-huh.
if the room's interior matches the photos or description
Uh-huh.
I saw when booking.
Uh-huh.
I don't bother checking the Wi-Fi because I have an unlimited data plan.
With your phone?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I unpack my bags.
Yeah.
I arrange things like cosmetics, where I use them beforehand.
Mm-hmm. If the view outside is nice.
If the view outside is nice, and I really like the room's interiors,
Yeah.
I immediately take pictures.
Uh-huh.
I upload those photos to SNS to share my news.
Okay.
I finish the whole process by sitting comfortably on the bed.
Then?
I then check my travel schedule one last time.
Okay.